Welcome back. We're on a special mission this morning. Me, Penny, Miss Holly.
Yes, Miss Holly.
Where are we heading, Holly?
I don't even know. I don't even know.
She's on a need-to-know basis, so she don't need to know. She just trusts me.
Don't want to.
And back here over my shoulder, we got a female rabbit. One of Daisy's offspring from last year, born August. We're actually on a mission. We're taking a rabbit over to another homestead, friends of ours that we met last year. Anyway, we're gonna go and get our rabbit bred with one of her males because we don't have a male. The only males we got is her father or her brother. So we're gonna try to stay away from that. So we're gonna take this one over and get her bred by one of the males. We're actually heading to the, it's called the Saltwater Homestead. They got a well-established little farm there with goats, ducks, rabbits, chickens. But yeah, beautiful, nice goats. Anyways, we're gonna get you some footage of that and see what kind of an operation they got. And they're in a, I won't say a neighboring community. It's a little bit of a drive. As a crow flies, it's not that far. What are you saying, Penny? What are you trying to say? Really? Okay. Well, we made it to the destination. Saltwater Homestead. I think you got the best name for a channel or a homestead. I love that name. That's awesome. Especially being here in Newfoundland. Yeah. So they got quite the, so that's Krista with a C or a K?
K.
K, okay. And BJ, yep. And they got a great little channel. BJ's having lots of fun sliding down the hills and staying overnight and doing all that fun stuff. And there's a rabbit colony they got going on. A much better setup we got. Much more, I don't know, natural, I guess you'd call it. So we got our doe in here, but she's not cooperating very much. So far, I don't think we've had any success. But we'll see. We'll give it some time here. So yeah, that's a nice, interesting color there. And we got in here, we got some small ones in there. Yeah, cool. Anyways, your rabbits got, they got all the feed they want. I'm a little stingier. I only give them little bits here and there.
Yeah, that's the challenge of a colony.
Yes, that's right, yeah.
Yeah, but I like your troughs.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's one thing I don't like about our situation is that it's bowls.
Yeah.
And they, well, yeah, you got to clean them and all that, right? But
we got the
like
automatic
to
water
tip
for
the
winter
bowls
time or summertime, but
Yeah.
it's a little more work.
Oh, winter's always work.
yeah, they flip the bowls.
Yeah,
and they
and
turn
flip it
around
and say fill it up again.
And then
So they got a nice selection of goats and stuff here. Let's see what we got here. Wow. Hey, buddy. Or girl, whatever you are. Oh. Let's see here. I'd like to have some goats, but... Oh, watermelon today, is it? Huh? Watermelon? Yeah. Yeah, cool. Uh-oh. None of these will charge me, will they?
No, that's the friendliest goat we got.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay.
Might follow you home.
Oh. Oh. We had ducks over here who want some attention. Looks like, sounds like. Okay, I gotta do some. I gotta go picking his brain on these ducks. Is this something we want to do? These are pretty tame ducks, I gotta say. Oh, the big one! Wow. Some good eating there. Oh wow. Okay, we got chickens up here. Like the hay better. Yeah, cool. Anyways, they got a great little setup here. Go check out their channel, and yeah, he's doing some good little videos there. So yeah, check him out, guys. Give him some love. Well, I gotta say, it's something I've never seen before, but yeah. Yeah. Anyways, only on Saltwater Homestead you'll see stuff like this. No, it's all good. And uh-oh, somebody's not cooperating. And these are all different kinds of ducks, obviously, are they?
Well,
Two main kinds.
there's two main kinds, but they're kind of all mixed up now. Even though it looks like two different kinds.
Yeah. Anyways, great day here. Thanks, guys. Krista and BJ. I don't think the job got done, but we'll see, I guess, in 30 days. But yeah, that was our main goal here today, to get one of our rabbits bred. But anyways, check these guys out. Saltwater Homestead, great little channel they got going there, and you're having too much fun.
Try to tone it down a little bit.
Yeah, anyways, take care. Okay, Mama is pulling fur. How you doing, Mama? Oh. Okay, you're all right. Yeah, so she's preparing the nest. She's pulling fur and building that into the nest. Aren't you, Mama? You see her belly there, she's pulling off. You see the remnants. So she's getting ready to give birth pretty soon. Get her some water here. Here she is working on the nest. See all the fur. She's in there now mixing it up and doing her thing. Exciting times. Okay, so I think her mama there is a little bit thinner. So let's have a look here. See what we got. Oh yeah. I don't know how many. Oh. Oh my. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boy, they're pretty young, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7, maybe 8. Good job, baby. Good job, Mama. Anyway, it's a couple weeks later since we tried to breed this girl over at BJ and Krista's at the Saltwater Homestead. She's pulling lots of fur, but in a couple days, maybe if she should be giving birth. But we'll see. We're not sure if that actually worked. We did get another male in with her a few days after. So depending on the date, we'll find out who did the job. Okay, so this is our original white female, and she 2 weeks tomorrow she gave birth to a few. Well, actually, I'll just show you here. Okay, we're checking on the kits here. These are only a couple days old. There was 7. I'm sure I had 6 or 7. Now there's only 5. I don't know what happened. I can't even feel a dead one. She must have eaten them. Yep. So we got, oh, they're burrowing down now for warmth because it's a little bit cold. Yeah, so I don't know. I can't feel for, I can't see what else, where they went. But these are getting fed, looks like. Get up here, buddy. So that's what we got left, 4. Okay, I don't know why, but I can't even feel a carcass or nothing in there. So that's it. It's a mouthful of fur. She's building her nest now. She didn't know what to do when her mouth was full of fur, and I gave her some fresh food. Because she never turns down food, even though she's been fed already this morning. So now she's spitting her fur out and building a nest with it. So as we expected, she's due in a few days here, probably a week and a half. She's here. And we didn't know what she had until I checked them today. Anyways, I'm going to check them again here now. Show you. So hers are going to be all white or all brown. Yeah. So hers is like just born a couple days ago actually. But they're almost got fur on them already. So last time she gave birth to 10. This time 4. I'm blaming that on the weather. Not real warm. Okay, so that's the update on the bunnies. And that's as of the day before you're seeing this. So, yeah, so there's the bunnies. Now, I bred this one again today. 2 weeks after she gave birth. I had her in with the male again today. So she's going to go, but I had her in with a different male. White male. So we're going to get all white ones for sure this next time from her. And she was bred with the same white male, but she always produces brown from the white, I guess. I guess the mama's got the dominant gene for the color. But this one here was a brown male this time. And she's got one white one, like a mix. So that's interesting that that's happened. I'm going to try that again. And here's the white male. Here he is.